Ireland became back-to-back Guinness Six Nations champions by crushing Scotland's quest for a first triple crown in 34 years with a scrappy 17-13 win. Andy Farrell's hosts were well below their free-flowing best in Dublin, but avoided any major Super Saturday drama to retain the championship title. Andrew Porter's second-half try fatally broke the resistance of the stubborn Scots to ignite the St. Patrick's weekend celebrations and satisfy an expectant capacity crowd at the Avive Stadium. Hooker and Sheehan set Ireland on course for glory and a 10th successive win over Scotland, with an opportunistic first half score while Jack Crowley kicked 7 points. A pair of first half Ken Russell penalties made Georg Townsend's men tried just 7-6 at the break, and he added a late conversion following Howard Jones' consolation try. Yet the Scots were powerless to prevent Ireland bouncing back from the disappointment of their dream of successive Grand Slams being exhaustingly ended by England's last weekend. Underdog Scotland crossed the Irish Sea with a slender chance of snatching the title, but realistically seeking to secure a first triple crown since 1999. Following a chest-turning round for loss to Teddy, their mission to wrap up the script began in positive fashion thanks to an early Russell penalty before Sheehan was gifted his 5th try of the tournament by George Turner's overthrown lineout. The fortunate 13th minute score converted by Crowley did little to settle Irish nerves, and the fried-up Scots kept up the pressure with another 3 points from Russell's boot. Farrell's men were struggling to gain meaningful territory during the kicking opening period, punctuated with errors and frequent kicking exchanges amid a subdued atmosphere. Crowley squandered a long-range penalty to stretch the slender advantages as resolute Scotland remains relatively untroubled while offering a threat on the counter-attack. Ireland, who had been forced to replace injured full-back Hugo Kenyon with Jordan Larmour just before kickoff, trudged down the tunnel leading by only a single point and with major room for improvement. Scotland had coach Townsend acknowledged pre-match that his side needed to produce something special to spoil the Irish party and bounce back from a dismal display in Rome. Crowley made their uphill task slightly harder with a straightforward penalty before the visitors received a major reprieve when Tadhg Furlong's apparent touchdown was chalked off following the lengthy review, as referee Matthew Calder deemed the ball had been dislodged. Herrick's last-ditch defending was the only thing preventing a rampant home side showing renewed purpose from fully taking control of the contest. Scotland flanker Andy Christie superbly halted the waving Calvin Nash with the try line in touching distance before Rusty Ireland replacement. Gary Ringrose inexplicably fumbled. Ringrose making his first appearance of the tournament following a shoulder injury, returned with a lung-busting intercept run which led to Ireland's crucial second try. Robbie Henshaw was adjudged to have been held up on the line in the immediate aftermath. Robin Henshaw was adjudged to have been held up on the line in the immediate aftermath before Porter subsequently powered over from a tap-and-go penalty following a yellow card for Avon Ashman. Supporters responded with a rousing rendition of the field's authority, fully believing the job was done. However, home fans were forced to endure a nervy final couple of minutes after replacement fly half Harry Barron was sent bent for a head-on-head challenge on Brazil, and Scotland centre Jones broke clear to touchdown. Ireland duly avoided any further issues to jubilantly celebrate a fifth championship title in 11 years and sixth overall, to underline their status as the Northern Hemisphere's leading nation.